Hey, what's up, kiddos? Mr. D is back. Well, today we're going to look at some animal pictures. And the book is right there. Now this book is kind of funny because I have to open it up real weird looking, so we'll get there, okay? And here we go. Now sit down right there. Okay. So, you know what I am. I'm a tiger. See? I look like a tiger. But I don't have no teeth, though. That's okay. I'm an old tiger with no teeth. Okay. But I'm going to show you a cool looking book. And right now, we're looking at a lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. See, this is a lion. And next, we're going to look at a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Say parrot. There goes the parrot. And now, we're going to look at a crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. And look at the teeth. He looks hungry. I'm hungry too, but I ain't got no teeth. Ooh, wait. I see a monkey over here. Here goes a monkey. He's having fun. He's playing on a tree. And we spell monkey M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. All right. Oh, what is that? That looks like a slithering snake. They crawl around everywhere. How do we spell snake? S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Look at that. That's a red snake. That's actually a happy snake. He's smiling. Wow. I bet you he doesn't bite though. And then we have, everybody knows this one, an elephant. But how do we spell elephant? We spell elephant E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. That's a blue elephant. I've never seen one of them before, but he sure does look cool. Hey, I got more pictures that's on the back of this book. I'm gonna have to flip the book over, okay? Oh, look at this. We have more. We have a hen. H-E-N. And then there's a little chick. A hen is usually a water bird or a female chicken. A rooster is a boy chicken, if you don't know the difference. I bet you everybody knows what this is. He's trying to say bow wow. That's a dog. D-O-G. Dog. Woof. Woof. He ain't got no teeth either. Oh my goodness, how's he gonna eat? And then, ooh, we have a furry lamb. Look how much fur he has on him. I bet you he stays warm during the winter time. Wow, how do we spell lamb? L-A-M-B. Lamb. I think they sound like this. Oh, look what we got next. He looks like a man in a suit, but it's a penguin from Antarctica. Wow. How do we spell penguin? P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Look at him. If I put a tie on him, he looks like he's wearing a suit. He'd be looking real cool. Oh, we got one more. we got a funny little rabbit. It's not a bunny, it's a rabbit. He's just looking all kinds of lost, isn't he? But how do we spell rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. He looks hungry because he ain't got no carrots to eat. We'll have to go find him some. Maybe next time we'll watch him eat his carrots. Okay, kids. That's it for this week. I will see you next week. Okay? And I'm going to probably have another book to read and we'll just have some more fun. Okay? Thank you for watching Mr. D and me reading all the books. Bye-bye.